Hi everybody, this is Mary from Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. And today I want to show you a brand new suite that's coming out from November 3rd to November 4th. Now some of this will be in the January to June catalog, mini catalog, but some of it will only be here from November 4th to January 4th. Or November 3rd to January 4th. So this is the Curvy Celebrations suite. And what comes in it is you get the bundle Quite Curvy with the dies, Curvy Dies. You get also, and this is what's not going to be in the June to January, or January to June catalog. This is Curvy Christmas photopolymer die or stamps, and this is the classic Christmas 6x6 designer series paper stack. And there are some beautiful papers: cherry cobbler, Sarah sand, and shaded spruce. Okay, so today we're going to play mainly with the Curvy Dies. Now I have, here are some of the Curvy Dies. You have this one, which is, has a little design to it, and then this one that's just like a little dots. And so we're going to make one of these right now. So I've already cut it out. And do you know where I find my colors? I want to show you, because people ask me, how do you know what colors are what good together? I go through the Stampin' Up catalog, and they have color palettes there. So I know Gorgeous Grape, Calypso Coral, Bumblebee, and Pool Party go together. So we're going to be using the Quite Curvy stamp set and die. We are going to be using some Memento ink. We are going to be using 8.5 by 5.5 piece of Whisper White. I am using Pool Party, Gorgeous Grape, Calypso Coral, and Bumblebee. I've already cut these, but out of a 4 1/4 by 5.5 sheet, you can get 2, so you can make 2 cards of this, okay? I am also using, where is it? The Stampin' Seal, just the plain Stampin' Seal. I want to show you how that works. And I am using, I know I got them here. Oh, the rhinestones, okay? So the first thing you want to do is you want to lay these out. Now some of them, you could just put them all down here and they'd go like just perfect like that if you wanted it. I want this one up a little bit. Then I want this one, say right about here. Then let's go down. I want this one turned around. And then I'm going to put this one right at the bottom, just like that, okay? So I'm going to move these off just a little bit, and I am going to just, and again, I am going to put that, about right like that. And then this one, there. Now you can do other things. I just wanted this to be a quick card to show you this suite. And then what I am going to do is I am going to put, now this See, this, since it's photopolymer, you can do this almost any way you want. Because it's photopolymer, you can almost do a circle with it, or, you know, twist it a different way. I want it to follow this contour. I want to put it on the Calypso Coral. So what I am going to do is I'm going to bend it just the way I want. Then I'm going to push a little pressure on it so it stays like that. And I'm going to get something else. Sorry, I've got another card that I was doing with that. So that stays, and it really helps to use your it helps a little more if you use your Stamparatus. I just find it a lot easier to close it faster and get it on there. There. And I'm just putting Hooray for You in. There we go. Let me clean. Then I am going to take some of the large rhinestones, and I'm just going to put those on the O's, because there's so many O's in Hooray for You. Actually, there's 4 of them. And I just want to give it a little bling, because hooray for you, so you've done something right. And there you go. Quick, easy, fun card, and it's perfect. Remember to follow me on YouTube, and I really would appreciate it if you would like to help my small business out by purchasing your Stampin' Up! Products from me. Everything to make this card is listed down below. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.